Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right now. Open Google Photos on your Android device and make sure the app is the latest update. You need a secure screen lock active because Locked Folder uses your device lock. Once that's confirmed, go to Library, then Utilities. Tap Locked Folder to begin setup. You'll be asked to confirm with your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. This step creates the protected space. Don't skip the confirmation because it ties the folder to your device's security. Once the locked folder exists, select the items you want to protect. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Move to Locked Folder, then authenticate with your screen lock. This removes items from the main library and stores them locally in the protected area. If you want future photos saved directly there, change your camera app settings or manually move files after capture. Make sure you understand locked items won't sync to cloud backups automatically because they stay on the device for privacy reasons. To view or restore files, open Library, tap Utilities and Locked Folder, then unlock with your device credential. To move items back, select them, use the three-dot menu and choose Move out of Locked Folder. If the Locked Folder option is missing or items don't appear, make sure Google Photos is updated and your Android OS meets requirements. Reboot if needed. If problems persist, verify you're signed into the same device user account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.